like some of your finest tea, please.
Okay, what type of tea you want to buy? Autumn harvest tea.
I don't know much about tea. My mother, she likes like English breakfast style.
She take with milk, I do without milk.
With milk.
Okay.
It's a present for my mother.
This is for your mom. Yes. And she can take with milk. And how to know Darjeeling tea? What you do? You take a little tea on your hands first, okay?
Yeah.
Small quantity, and softly your hand is closed, softly, very softly, and try to make warm from this side. How do you?
I like
2-3 times you blow it,
yeah.
and when you feel this is the warm, then open your hands and smell it.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, please try.
Oh, it smells really good, man.
How is the tea?
It smells amazing. Yeah.
Okay, and this tea is your second first tea, second harvest tea, and this one is the autumn harvest tea. Autumn harvest tea.
What's the difference?
The season is the different. Of course, there is the flavor and taste is the different. I think this one is much more strong. I think. Yeah, please try.
Oh man, they both smell really good. I'm not sure. I think maybe this one. We'll try this again. It really brings out the aroma though when you heat up a lot. Yep, this one for me. This is the second harvest?
This is the second harvest,
okay, yeah.
And this is the autumn harvest.
Okay, I'll take some of the second harvest.
Okay,
please.
how much you want, sir?
Say 250 grams? How much is that?
Yeah.
I don't really know.
No, it is a little bit, it is 300 grams.
Oh, okay. So maybe, can I get like this much?
No. This much are 200 grams, this much.
200 grams would be perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
In one packet, yeah?
Yes, thank you. Yep. How many years have you had this tea shop?
Actually, when here is the British rule, before 47, in 1932, that time my grandmom is starting this business. And later on, my mom is running this business whole life. Now my half of the life I'm also running
this business. Yeah, wow.
From there. And that, 200 grams.
Perfect. That's wonderful. How many different types of tea do they grow in Darjeeling?
Here is in one tea garden there are approximately the 15 varieties tea. 15 varieties tea. Yeah, from one tea garden.
Wow.
The manufacturing is also very important.
Yes,
All
I imagine.
You know, the cook is very important in the good restaurant.
So
if the cook is not good, then the food is not good. These are the on the point of this one.
The same.
The
okay.
Tea maker is very important. Remember, that's the Darjeeling.
Yes, Darjeeling tea, Radhika and Son. Yep.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much.
This
You'll
is
be very happy with that.
single garden and single quality tea. There is not any blending.
So there's no blending. It's all from the same tea garden and the same plants. And
everything.
Okay.
Everything's at the single.
So as you saw, wandering through that awesome little produce market and came across that wonderful little tea shop and got my mum a present. She likes tea, so I'll pop this in the bag, and when I get home we can share a nice glass of tea together. And I learned a lot about the tea process as well. It's really quite interesting, very similar to wine. The best tea comes from a single tea garden, and you know the tea maker is very important as well in the process. It's not as simple as just drying it out. A gentleman said he'll send me some information if I require it, so if I really develop a love for tea, I might take him off on that offer. But yeah, we might just keep going for a walk around now. Alright, so we just sort of been wandering the streets of Darjeeling aimlessly for the last probably 3 or 4 hours, and I've got to say it's been absolutely lovely. Sort of wandering through the hustle and bustle of the produce markets, seeing all the different kind of little shops, flower shops, fruit and veggie shops, tea shops. Yeah, enjoying some nice views from a few different vantage points. It's definitely been a great afternoon.
Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Can I kick it?
And that is the awesome thing about just wandering around. You never know what's gonna happen. Just saw that little dude kicking a football, asked if we could join in, and just had a mad like little kick around. Yeah, awesome. We're gonna head home now. Just asked the local guy where the share cab stand is, so go and jump in one of them, head back, and just chill out tonight. I think we've got a few more things to organise for our trip to Sikkim, so we'll do that tomorrow. So yeah, I'll say goodbye to you guys now and see you on the next adventure. Ciao.
Hello.
Hello Australia.
Hello Australia, how are you?
We're good. Everyone say, hello Australia. No. I got nothing.